In today's corporate world, Excel, GenAI, business intelligence, and reporting are no longer optional, essential tools for speed, accuracy, and smarter decision making. Companies that master these skills stay ahead. They automate work, analyze data better, and solve problems faster than ever before. Swire Digital truly understands this need. They recognized how powerful Excel, GenAI, and modern reporting can be for their organization's growth. That's why they partnered with iTech Analytic Solutions to upskill their team with practical, industry-ready data skills. We're proud to share that Swire Digital's first batch has successfully completed the training. And Swire Digital is ready for the second batch and is already in progress. Thanks to Srividya for wonderful training. And just like Swire Digital, your organization can also upgrade skills in Excel, Power BI, GenAI, reporting, business intelligence, automation, programming, dashboards, and presentations. If your team needs support or specialized training, we're here to help. Contact iTech Analytic Solutions and take your organization to the next level.